My name is Bob Cox. I am the Purchasing and Facilities Manager for Hospice and Palliative Care of Greensboro. This facility houses these particular 2 rooms that we're in, and we use those for outreach programs into the community and additionally for training for hospice staff. We found out about Skyfold in the early process in 2013 in the design of this building. The architect indicated that there was other choices than mechanical walls. And we investigated that, and we met some wonderful folks at Skyfold, and in turn took us out to see a demo of a wall in Forsyth. We went over and spent the day, and it was everything we were looking for. We have already had experience with movable walls, and we wanted this particular product. In the process of evaluating the wall, Skyfold became a clear choice to me and to my bosses and to the powers that be, that we were building a step-up building, we were building a little bit of a showcase, and we wanted the best bang for the bucks. And the practicalities and the design of the wall and its utility of the wall were items that I wanted in this facility. Simplicity of operation is the best for the staff and myself. The reliability of the product and how it works and the functionality of it, it's a great product to have in a place like this where you might not have a lot of guys or a lot of people to move a wall. This is simply push a button, hold the safety switch, and raise and lower. My experience with Skyfold Skyline from day one has been professional and just first class. Skyfold Skyline has exceeded all of my expectations, from the install to the setup and to the follow-ups. I gladly recommend Skyfold Skyline to anyone who will ask, anyone who comes to the facility and wants to know more about it. This is the wall that I wanted. It's the wall that hospice deserved.